2012 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.